How to use circle to search on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Make sure your Samsung Fold 5 running the latest software version to use circle to search. You can use circle to search feature to find the related product from the photo on your device. Let's see example how it works. Open the app drawer and open the gallery application on your device. Now select the any photo you want to find the related product. Here we select this. Now we select this option. Now long press the home button to launch the circle to search on a Samsung device. Now circle the product you want to find the related product. Make sure internet is working. Now you can at the bottom you can find the related product. Just tap on it to quickly access it on your Samsung device. So quite helpful feature to quickly find the related product on your device. Just open the any product image and long press the home button and circle you want to find the related product. That's it. If you like it, share it.